Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to review the BENYAR by 577 Classic Men's Automatic Mechanical Watch. This watch is a perfect blend of style, precision, and durability, and it's a wonderful homage to the Rolex Explorer. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The BENYAR by 5177 features a stunning blue sub-busted dial. The large numerals at 3, 6, and 9, along with the classic Bin's hands, give it a modern look. This classic men's watch exudes elegance and sophistication, just like the Rolex Explorer. It has a large three-hand design with luminescent coating on the markers and hands, making it easy to read the time even in the dark. Just expose it to a strong light source, and you can check the time anytime, anywhere. This watch features the G2-666Z self-winding movement. It's highly accurate and doesn't need a battery. With a power reserve of over 36 hours, this watch winds itself with the movement of your wrist. For the first use, simply turn the crown upwards about 20 times. Comfort and durability are key features of this watch. The bezel is polished and rounded, protecting it from scratches. The 316L stainless steel case and strap is strong, durable, and corrosion-resistant. The single-sided folding clasp ensures a perfect fit and can be adjusted to any wrist size. The case diameter is 40 mm, the lug-to-lug length is 50 mm, the thickness is 14 mm, strap width is 21 mm, it weighs around 152 grams. It's lightweight and comfortable, yet sturdy and robust. This watch also features a Hardlex mineral crystal, which is highly resistant to scratches and impacts. It ensures that your watch face remains clear and pristine, even with regular use. Now, let's talk about its water resistance. The BENYAR by 5177 is water resistant up to 50 meters. This means you can wear it while washing your hands, taking a shower, or even swimming in shallow water. However, it's not suitable for diving or snorkeling. The 50-meter water resistance ensures that your watch is protected against everyday splashes and brief immersions in water. In summary, the BENYAR by 5177 Classic Men's Automatic Mechanical Watch is a superb combination of design, precise engineering, and long-lasting comfort. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, this watch is sure to impress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for updates. Comment below and let us know what you think about the BENYAR by 5177. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Keep ticking.